very wet holiday. So we're gonna look wet, right? Right.
Yeah, she say my name. Beat her from the back, man could tell. Yeah, she say my name.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Leah if you did not know already. And y'all, it is Valentine's Day, boo. Okay, you know, y'all can subscribe to my channel, like the video as my Valentine's Day gift, because you know y'all my bitches. And I love y'all. But yeah, so today I decided to do a pink glossy eye. All I really know how to do is smoky eyes anyway, so I thought that I should add at least a fun twist to it for Valentine's Day. You know, it's a very wet holiday, so we're gonna look wet, right? Right. But yeah, I don't want to hold you guys too much longer. I'll guys go ahead and get right into the video. Y'all, look what I learned how to do. This shit is so cool, right? Okay, so right now I'm going to be priming my eyes with my NYX eyeshadow base. And I'm going to go into my masquerade palette from Juvia's Place. I'm going to take that little brown color as my transition shade. This shade is called Burkina. And I'm just sweeping that back and forth on that eyeshadow base. Just as like a transition shade, just so I won't have any like harsh lines when I put the pink. And then I'm going to go back into that same palette. I'm going to take that hot pink shade called Bori. And it's like a hot pink shimmer shade. It's really, really nice. And I'm just packing that all over the eye with a regular, just flat eyeshadow brush. And I'm kind of doing it kind of sloppy because since it's a smoky eye, it's like the easiest shit to do, honestly. You just put it all over your lid basically, and then we're going to smooth out the edges later. But you could just make sure the color is down and just add as much shadow as you want to make it as pigmented as you want. Yeah, I'm learning that with eyeshadow, like to really pack on the shadow so I can have color. But yeah, so I'm taking my MAC 2, hold on, what color number is this? 285 brush, and I'm just sweeping that brown shade. Well, I didn't go back into the palette with it, but I'm just sweeping it back and forth just to soften out the edges. And then I'm applying my lashes first before I do the gloss, because when you do the gloss first before the lashes, of course the lashes have a hard time sticking. So I'm gonna just apply my lashes. And then I'm priming my face with my Bobbi Brown's mineral enriched cream or something like that. The one everybody be using. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna use to prime my face with. All of the products will be listed down below though. And I'll have the exact name. And then for foundation, I'm going to kind of speed through this part because I have a foundation routine up already. But the foundation I'm using is, which one was this? Oh, dang, y'all. Oh, dang. Which one was that? Estee Lauder Double Wear, and I'm in the color Rich Chestnut. Sorry. Okay, now I'm taking my concealer in the color Caramel. That is the Maybelline Adrian concealer. And I'm just putting that on all the areas I want highlighted. Okay, so while I'm letting that dry, I'm going to take my Cocoa Butter clear gloss, whichever clear gloss you want. It really doesn't matter. I got that from the beauty supply store for $1. I'm putting that on the back of my hand, and then I'm going to pick up that same flat eyeshadow brush that I picked up the pink shadow with, and I'm putting that on the brush, and I'm just going to simply apply it to my eye. And you don't want to sweep, you want to pat it on, because you know you don't want to move the color around. And it just looks so pretty and glossy. Like, it looks satin. I don't know. I like that. And now I'm just blending out my concealer. Like I said, I'm going to kind of speed through that part because, you know, with my beauty blender. If y'all hear people talking, I'm sorry. Y'all know how the shit go. And then I'm going to set that with my Too Faced loose powder in the color medium. I think that's the color, but it's yellow. I really like this powder too. It's super, super soft and super, super, super thin. It's my shit. And now I'm going to bronze my face with, what is this? My e.l.f. Blush and Bronzer Duo. I just bought a new one of these. I'm so hyped. But the brush and bronzer duo, I get it from Target. It's like $4, and I'm in the color Turks and Caicos. It's two colors. It's like one for light skinned people basically, and then one for a darker complected. But yeah, it's Turks and Caicos. So yeah, we're just bringing the color back. I probably should have cut some of this out because I ain't got nothing to talk to y'all about while this part is going on. But yeah, so we're gonna bronze the nose up a little bit, just to bring a nose back. And then boom, we're gonna put on that highlighter. We're gonna look wet because, like I said, it's a wet holiday. So when you getting wet, you looking wet. But the highlighter, you guys, I'm sorry, but it's from that Nicole Guerrero palette. But that's no longer here. The blush I'm applying is NYX Desert Rose. Really pretty blush, and their blushes last for years. Like, I've literally had that brush for years. But I'm taking that pink shade, what was the name of it? Bori, that pink shade, and I'm just sweeping it and smoking it out heavily under my eye. I feel like bedroom eyes are like hella smoky, so you want to look very sultry. Now I'm just highlighting my brow bone with the same highlighter, and then I'm lining my lips right now with a brown lip liner, just regular brown, nothing special. And then I am applying this Meet Matte Hues by the Balm Cosmetics liquid lipstick in the color Sincere. I just put a very thin layer of that on, and then I'm just blending it out, as you can see, blending it, and then I'm spraying my face with my NYX matte finishing spray. And that's it, bitch.